Welcome to all my school students and my viewers on my channel Digital Education by Meenakshi Kaushik. First of all, Merry Christmas to all of you. Secondly, my all 10th class students, today I am going to discuss and I am going to give you the some important previous years questions which are very helpful for your board examination point of view. So now students, please before watching my this video, it's my humble request to all my school students and my other students and my viewers, please like, share and subscribe my channel Digital Education by Meenakshi Kaushik.
Now, students, see the slide. The first question is between 1980 and 2020, the India's healthcare facilities have expanded, resulting in improved health outcomes and increased life expectancy. Consequently, the healthcare sector has become a key component of India's development. Why has the healthcare sector become so vital in India's development process? Support your answer by giving any three reasons. So now students, 10th class students, now this is the question number 1. In this video students, I have given to you the approximately means 22 23 questions, right? And the my next videos I will give you the next other PYQs, means previous year's question paper based on your CBSE exam pattern. So please watch my all the videos regularly, like and share and subscribe my channel Digital Education by Meenakshi Kaushik. So now friends, I am going to discuss with you all the questions which I have given to you in this video, right? And that is also covering your syllabus, CBSE board exam syllabus. So student, in this first number question, you have to write about the India's healthcare facilities now which the we are providing, and now how the healthcare sectors has become a key component of India's development. So now student, in these questions you have to mention, you have to explain the key components of India's development and why the healthcare sector becomes so vital in India's development process. To strengthen this answer, you have to write in proper way. If the question will come in 5 marks or 3 marks, so you have to write now point wise and the heading wise, and then explain your answer. One more thing, 10th class students, I would like to share with you, when you are writing your long question answer of 5 marks or 3 marks. So now, as a teacher, social science teacher, it is my suggestion and it is my advice to my all the students of 10th class, and generally I convey to the students of 12th class also. Please, you have to make the flow chart according to the language of the question, according to the demand of the question. The 5 mark question and the 3 marks long questions, these needs a proper explanation. These type of questions you have to firstly make the flow chart, whether your history part है, civics part है, geography part है, economics part, economics. So now you have to make the flow chart, and according the language of the question student, you have to elaborate your answer by writing the headings. Now underline it, and then a point wise you have to explain your answer. Then you will get the good marks in your 5 mark question, in your 3 marks question. Never write your answer directly. Don't throw your answer directly. Okay, firstly you have to, little bit you have to write the introduction about the basic means the content of the question, and then elaborate it. So this is my suggestion and advice to my all the 10th class and 12th class board class students. Now, second question, student. This is now based on the Mahatma Gandhi's the leadership transformed the nature of the Indian national movement. So in this question, you have to explain about how the Mahatma Gandhi's leadership transformed the nature of our Indian nationalistic movement. This answer you also have to explain in proper manner. Now, question number third, student. Here, the one question. This is the basically the dramatic question. Now, the Sneha plans to establish an automobile assembly plant, but lacks knowledge about the critical factors for setting up such an industry. Guide her in identifying the key factors necessary for establishing a successful automobile assembly point. So this is a dramatic questionnaire generally. It's just like some type of value based questionnaire. So you have to explain this answer according to the language of the question. Now, student, one more question. There is a question number 4 here, where this is your civics question. Power sharing is necessary to prevent dictatorship. Explain the statement by giving any three examples. So now, student, firstly, in this question, you have to mention, you have to describe the meaning of the power sharing. Right? Power sharing means now decentralization of powers. So meaning of power sharing you have to write in your answer. As after that, you have to explain your this answer according to the language of the question. How the power sharing is necessary, why the powers should be divided, yeah, decentralized to prevent the dictatorship. So this answer you have to explain in proper manner. So now, students, my next slide, I will also explain to you the other questions how you have to attempt your answers in board exam. In means the question those are the questions of 5 marks hai, या those are question of 3 marks hai, yeah, those are question of 2 marks hai. Now, 10th class student, see this slide. The question number 5. The Industrial Revolution transformed the global economy. Justify the statement with suitable arguments. So, you have to explain your answer according to the language of the question. In this question, you have to firstly explain what is the meaning of Industrial Revolution. Now then after that, then you have to explain your answer. In question number 6, federalism promotes unity while respecting diversity. Analyze the statement with relevant points. The students, now in this question also you have to now write about, you have to mention about the meaning of the federalism, and then according to the language of the question you have to explain your answer. Now question number 7, Napoleon Bonaparte played a very crucial role in spreading nationalist ideas across Europe. Explain how Napoleon contributed to European nationalism. So, student, in this question, firstly, now you have to write who was the Napoleon Bonaparte and what was the role of the Napoleon Bonaparte in spreading nationalistic ideas across Europe, in whole Europe. So, this answer you also have to explain according the demand of the question. Question number 8, unification of Germany was largely driven by nationalistic movements. Justify the statement with suitable arguments. So, students, in this question, unification of Germany, so you have to tell, you have to explain about the firstly the leaders, the nationalistic leaders of Germany, and now who were involved in the unification of Germany. Little bit you have to give the background of the leaders of Germany unification, and then explain your answer. Question number 9, coal is a vital energy resource in India. Explain its significance. So in this question you have to firstly little bit you have to write about the meaning of resource and then types of resources, and then after that you have to explain your coal is a vital energy resource in India with its significance, means importance. Question number 10, student, poverty is the most serious obstacle to development. Explain why this is true. So this is a very important question है student. Generally our current question है and value based question भी है, and this question you have to explain with your own words in proper manner. Okay, why the poverty is a more serious obstacle, more serious problem of our country and obstacle to development. So this answer you have to explain in a proper manner. Next question number 11 is students, the Russian Revolution had profound impact on global politics. Explain how the Russian Revolution influenced the whole world. In this question, you have to now the little bit the background you have to give about the Russian Revolution, why the Russian Revolution was started, and how the Russian Revolution had played a very profound impact on global politics. Right, so firstly you have to give the 3 4 lines, so 4 5 lines you have to write the background of the Russian Revolution, then you have to explain the impact of Russian Revolution on global politics. So students means to say that when you are writing your long question answer of 5 marks and 3 marks students, firstly you have to little bit you have to write the meanings you have to write the background and then you have to explain your answer according to the language of the question, the demand of the question. Never write, never throw your answer directly if you want to gain the good marks in social science subject in board examination. One more thing, it is my suggestion, it my advice to my all the 10th class students, board students, 10th hai 12th hai, कि please you all the students have to go through the chapters properly. A history chapter, a civics chapter, a geography and economics, go through the chapter and the details of the chapter and try to understand the explanation of the each and every content. That will be very easier for you to grasp the chapter properly and to understand the content of the chapter betterly. In next slide I will also explain how to attempt your answers. Now 10th class students, see the this slide, question number 12. The monsoon is crucial for agriculture in India. Discuss for its importance. In this question you have to tell about the importance of the monsoon and that why the monsoon is crucial for agriculture in India. Question number 13. Banking services are essential for economic development. Of course, the banking services are very essential for economic development of a country. So now you have to explain why the banking is important for the economic growth of a country. In question number 14, the division of powers mean decentralization of powers. In federalism, ensure balanced governance. Explain how the division of powers achieves balance. This answer you also have to write according to the language of the question. Same, firstly you have to mention the power sharing or division of powers meaning firstly. Question number 15. In question number 15, the print culture played a very important role in the spread of Enlightenment ideas. Explain the statement by giving suitable examples. So, students, firstly, you have to tell about the little bit the background of the emergence of the print culture. From firstly, it was from where it was started, and now how it was spread over in Europe and other countries, and then you have to explain the print culture, how the print culture played a key role in the spread of Enlightenment ideas. So, this is a way to attempt the question. Now, next question number 16, respecting religious diversity strengthens social harmony. Explain the statement by giving any 3 examples. So, now this is the question of civics that we also have to explain according to the language of question. Now, question number 17, student, liberalism emphasized individual freedoms and rights. Justify the statement with suitable arguments. So, now, students, firstly, you have to tell the meaning of liberalism. What do you understand by the meaning of liberalism? And then you have to explain your answer, okay, how the liberalism emphasizes the individual freedom and rights. Now, students, next, the question number 18, the next slide, you have to see the in the recent years, question number 18, please students. And one more thing, you also have to take the screenshot of my all these question slides, and these questions are very beneficial students for means your upcoming board examination. In my next videos I will give you the more other previous years questions and more other important questions in my next videos. So please watch my videos regularly and like, share and subscribe my channel for new updates and for my new notifications. So now students, question number 18. In recent years, the IT sector and software services sector in India has thrived due to the globalization, serving clients and worldwide. As a result, the IT sector has become a major contributor to India's economy. So, student, firstly, you have to tell what is IT sector, what is the primary sector, secondary and tertiary sector, because IT sector, it is a part of the tertiary sector, right, service sector. So why this IT sector has become a major contributor to India's economy, to India's growth and development. So this is support for your answer. You have to write any three reasons. Question number 19, Miss Friends. Liberalism emphasize individual freedoms and rights. Justify the statement with suitable arguments. Question number 20. Now, the French Revolution was a turning point of European nationalism. Now, yes, explain the statement with key events, right? So, this French Revolution, you have to little bit write the background of the French Revolution, and now how the French Revolution became a turning point for European nationalism. This question also you have to write in proper manner. So now, students, yes, next question number, this question number 21. A multi party system ensures a broader representation of people's interest. Justify the advantages of a multi party system. So, students, firstly, you have to tell about what is multi party system, what is bi-party system, single party system. You also can explain, and then you have to explain the advantages of multi party system. Next question is, student, this is a renewable resources can be, yes, replenished in naturally over time. So this firstly you have to write firstly the meaning of the resources, and now after that you have to make the flow chart, the renewable resources and non renewable resources. Again you have to divide the renewable resources, again you have to divide the non renewable resources, and then explain the meaning of renewable resources and non renewable resources. So with the help of the flow chart you have to explain your answer step by step. So renewable resources can be, yes, replenished naturally over time. Provide examples and explain their significance of renewable resources. So student, these are the questions, and now these are the very important questions which I have means selected for my 10th class board students. And now my next videos I will give you the more other important questions based on your CBC exam pattern, right? So students, whatever the suggestions and guidelines and my advice I have given to you, you have to follow very strictly, which will be very beneficial, right students? My next videos you also have to see my next other important question. So please like, share and subscribe my channel Digital Education by Meenakshi Kaushik. Thank you students, thank you.